Welcome back. Alright, today I'm gonna be finessing some fall eyes for you guys. Yeah, that's pretty much gonna be the focus of this video. First product I'm jumping into it to achieve this look today is my Stilazzi Stellar eyeshadow palette, and that's how this look. This is a new release for Stilazzi Cosmetics, and I'm so excited to be trying out this palette. Before I moved on to the shadows, I based my eyelids with some concealer. This is from Sistar Cosmetics, just so we have an even canvas to work with. And I kind of went in the crease to kind of warm that up with my face powder, yes, and just keep it very muted. And I really love the way it came off. You know, sometimes I even do this as a simple look. The first shade I'm going in with is actually Crystal Ball, and as you can see, this is a bit too light for my skin tone, but I still went ahead with it and completed to apply it into the crease area. And then I followed up with S&M, which kind of corrected that, you know, because it came off a little ashy on me. So I mean, no big deal, still can correct it. So I went in with S&M, which was really nice, and I just kept on, you know, going back and forth with that windshield wiper motions. And I kept on building that up as well because I wanted the crease to be really deep. I was very much into a dramatic, you know, vibe, and I wanted to do a cut crease. So I kept on building up S&M to my liking. Now to cut the crease, I'm going to take my PETITE-SUE Cosmetics concealer in Golden Beige. I love using this. Guys, you know, I've been rocking with Sistar Cosmetics for a while now. I really do love their products and they're very affordable, so check them out. Yes, so I just kept on cutting the crease. If you need a detailed cut crease tutorial, I'll link one below. Alright, trust. And then for the end portion, I kind of blended that out with some of S&M to just make things, you know, look a little bit more presentable. And I had to pause while I was here finessing this fall eye look. Look at it. It's the first time I'm experiencing an earthquake. Yes, here in Jamaica. It lasted for like a couple seconds, as you guys can see. Like, I was so shocked. So shocked. I've never experienced that before in my life. Okay, so that was pretty shocking. Pretty shocking. Everybody went crazy. Nothing was damaged, but everything was shaking. Like, and I'm happy it wasn't worse. I'm really happy. Yeah, I'm happy it wasn't worse. All right, so we're continuing. Yeah, so the next shadow I followed up with is Ashes, and this is actually like gray, and this is just a very cool color, and I created like a gradient effect for like the lid area, and that was the first shadow I took. And then to kind of make things a bit lighter, I went in with California Girls, and then I followed up with California Dreaming, and this gave a beautiful gradient effect. I really love the way it came off. Guys, at this point I was still like a bit like stunned by the fact that an earthquake just came while I was here just, you know, casually filming a makeup tutorial. Like, what? Yeah, that was pretty wild. I'm not gonna lie, pretty wild. But yeah, so the next step was going in with my gel liner from Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics, and this is the ink. It's my favorite gel liner at the moment. You know, it's one-off because I do love my Stilazzi gel liner as well, but I've been using this a lot since lately. It's so pigmented, it's easy to work with, love it. So I created a wing with that, and I do have a wing liner tutorial as well. It will be listed down below. Alright, so I went off camera, did my face and all that jazz. That wasn't the focus. If you need a video where I show you guys how, you know, my face makeup routine, well, a couple videos will definitely be linked below. So I built up the color, the outer portion of my eyeshadow with some of the black from the palette to just give it a more depth. And then after doing so, I followed up with some mascara from Unlashed. This mascara I received from a BoxyCharm. Like, BoxyCharm is life. I have some of my best products. Even the gel liner that I use is from BoxyCharm. So yeah. So for the final portion, I'm going in with Gaelle liquid lipstick today in Bashment. Yes, it's a beautiful, vibrant purple. Love it, love it. It's just pretty. And yeah, most of the times whenever I do a bold eye look like this, trust me, the best option to go with is a more muted lippy. But I didn't care today. And that's the point of makeup. Have fun with it. Don't be scared to do what you want to do. Yeah. Alright, I followed up and I decided to do a little bit of contouring because I didn't do any. And I took a little bit, I used my Tan to Deep ABH contour palette to just kind of bronze up the cheek. It was like contour, but more like a bronzy vibe. And that's pretty much it for this look, guys. Pretty much it. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And let me know what you guys would have done if you were filming a makeup tutorial and then an earthquake came. Would you have continued? Like, everyone was going crazy in the house. Everyone. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And let's talk. Let's talk. Yeah. Go ahead and leave your suggestions for any other video ideas. Doesn't have to be a makeup tutorial in the comment section as well, guys. That's it for today. Oh, and all the products used will be listed in the description box. Yeah. That's it for today. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!